This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Hurry to see this gorgeous home in the heart of Courthouse Estates. Equipped with all new hurricane-proof windows that have tempered glass and security locks. Recently installed exterior doors, a new garbage disposal, 2 self-cleaning toilets and a 5-stage water filtration system for the kitchen sink. The kitchen is perfect for entertaining with its open layout, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast nook. Just minutes away from bases, beaches, and shopping. This home is perfect for you. For more information, review the details below.